In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a weekly to-do list in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Go to your team space from the left sidebar. Hover over the space and click the three dots. Select Template. Click Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Weekly To-Do List. Look through the available templates. Choose one that fits your needs. Click Use Template. Enter a name for your weekly list. Customize the tasks and sections if needed. Add your regular weekly tasks. Adjust labels, priorities, or categories. Click Use Template again to create it. Your weekly to-do list will now be ready. Update it each week as needed. You can reuse the template anytime. That is how you create a weekly to-do list in ClickUp.